How do you like my hat? Well, I hope you like it because in this video, I'm going to show you how to make one just like it. Well, actually not just like it, but just like it. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get to it. Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa S of By Vanessa S and welcome to my channel. And if you've been here before, welcome back to my channel. Remember, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, ring the bell so you're notified of future videos, and of course, subscribe. And don't forget to share because sharing is caring. And you all have been doing that, so thank you. Continue to share. Okay, so if you're like me, it's hot. Very hot, extremely hot. And the sun is out, it's beaming, it's beating down on you. Whether you're out for a walk, walking your dog, whether you're at the beach, wherever you are, the sun is beaming. And so hats are the perfect solution to keeping you protected from the sun as well as a little cooler. And who said that you can't have a stylish hat? And who said that it takes a lot to make them? So I found this pattern, just to give you some background. I found this pattern at Mood Fabrics. It's a free download at moodfabrics.com, Mood Fabrics. And it's a free download. It's only 3 pieces. And so I decided to make it. Now, I love this hat for so many different reasons because it is very versatile. You can wear it however you want. You can make it however large you want. I mean, it is just versatile. You do what you want to do you, okay? And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a hat just like this using whatever fabric you want. I would cotton, anything heavy like a denim, anything like that. Choose your own fabric. And of course, Mood has a vast selection of fabric. So find you a fabric, cut out the pieces, make the hat. So if you're ready, let's look at this tutorial on how to make a beautiful bucket hat. I love my hat. I made a couple of them. 3 to be exact. Okay, as we get started, I have a couple of helpful tips for you. The first being, for a thicker, more shapely hat, use a stabilizer and interfacing. Second, use a steam iron and press the seams open and the edges down. This is going to help with the shape and stability. Third, use long pins for the crown and side attachment. You can use clips if you like, but I find that having long pins helps it to stay stable as I'm sewing around the crown. And lastly, add a lining. It will provide a more polished look and feel on the inside. Select a fabric. Cut the pattern pieces. This is a downloaded project, so you're going to have to cut the pieces. Cut the fabric and the interfacing. And if you're going to use a lining, cut the lining as well. Fuse the interfacing to the fabric. Place the right sides of the brim together and sew each side. And remember, afterwards, press the seams down. Steam press the seams down. Place right sides of brim together and sew each side. Place right sides of the brim pieces together and pin the outer edge and sew. Make sure that you line the seams up and pin so that there's no movement. And make sure that the fabric is aligning so that when you sew it, you don't leave gaps. Turn the brim inside out and steam iron. Steam iron all 3 pieces and press those seams open. Pin the crown to the side panel and sew. Here's where you'll need your clips and your long pins. Pin the crown to the side panel and sew. Now sew the side panel to the brim. Make sure that you move the fabric out the way underneath so that you're not catching both sides of the hat. Once you have sewn the brim to the side panel, you're done.